Alright guys, what's going on? Today I thought I'd do a little bit of work on my truck, particularly because I'm stuck in quarantine anyways. So, I'm going to be doing a muffler delete, see what it sounds like. Here on my 2004 Toyota Tundra. Shouldn't matter as long as it's this kind of style or whatever. I don't know what you call that, the body style when they update it. I think that's 2007 or something like that. But anyways, so this should be the same for a bunch of models similar to this. Doesn't matter if you have the dual cab or a long bed or what. But we are going to do a quick before and after clip here. I'll show you what it is before. See, the muffler comes out right over here. So I'll set you up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so you guys got a quick glimpse of what it sounds like before, and it is actually reversible. This is not like cutting with a sawzall or anything. There's actually a little, I don't know what you call it, an exhaust bolt flange. You can just take that off, slip it off. It will, temporarily for now, it will be dumping under your the bed of your truck. Or just right behind the cab, I believe. Yeah, let me show you guys real quick. Alright guys, so this is going to be kind of tight under here. So as you can see, this is towards the front of the truck. You can see where it comes from that side and this side of the engine. These up here, I don't know if you can see that. Those are the catalytic converters. And I believe this is a resonator. So this is not the muffler. The muffler is this giant thing here. And then this goes on over the axle, out that way. There's an exhaust hanger out that way. Right here you can see this is what we're taking apart. Right behind it is this exhaust hanger, which we don't need to take apart, and it's actually kind of nice that it's right behind it, so we can take this apart without having this droop down or anything. Keep in mind when you're doing, if you're doing a before and after clip or whatever, don't turn it on too long. You don't want this to be hot. You want to be able to work on it and not burn yourself. As you can see here, actually, I think that I may have a small exhaust leak or something right here at this joint, because it gets wet here. I believe that's just water and condensation from, normal cold startups or whatever. But it's leaking out right here, so I don't know if this seal's gone bad. Maybe I bumped it on a rock, I don't know. It's kind of dirty under here, so we'll get right to it, and I might just do a quick time lapse. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Should be, I believe these will be 10 mil. Alright, so it turns out these are actually 12 mil. I guess I haven't used my millimeter sizes in a while. I'm just gonna set you guys on the ground. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here on this flange. I think those are called exhaust flanges. Not sure. Anyways, hope you can see there because I can't see the screen. And we're gonna get our. Ooh, this is tight. Oops. Might have to hold the clips. Uh-oh. Did I just round it? Shit. I may have just rounded it a bit. God, this is going to be difficult, isn't it? just rounding it off. Hey, come on. Alright, I'm gonna go get some different 12 mil, maybe a bigger ratchet, and see what I can do. Or maybe just get 12 mil wrench, I don't know. Alright. So I got a 12 mil wrench. Let's see if this works. I sure hope I don't have to. Fuck, it's just rounding the head. That is freaking tight. Not good. Some WD-40. I wish I had PB Blaster, but I don't. Let's I'm gonna see if I can move you guys to a better location, so I'm not gonna be dripping WD-40 on you. Hope you can see it right there. Now don't be right under this, because I don't want to drip this on myself. Now I'm gonna see if some heat will help too. I'll let that, don't touch this with your hands obviously, but hopefully you can work this on here. And oh god, the head's just rounding. This sucks with a nut. I might have to get myself some vice grips or something. Ow, fuck, it's hot. You accidentally touched that bracket there. Oh, God. I should not be right underneath the exhaust. Just getting dirt in my face. Is that just rounding it too? Okay, let's make this a little tighter then. So I got my... Is it spinning it? No. It's destroying it. Great. I'm just destroying this head. God damn it. This is really freaking in there. Huh. Well, this ain't good. So, I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I'm just rounding off that head and kind of destroying it. And it's not even spinning the bolt. I mean, I'd be holding the other side if it would move, but it's not. Not even doing that, so let's see. Oh, God. That is one stubborn nut. Should I take my angle grinder to it? Grab this. Like that. Okay. So, popped itself loose here. Finally. Let me let it cool down for a bit and we'll see if we can take it off. Or maybe like this way. Oh yeah, that bends pretty easy actually. Come on. Get off. There we go. Seems to be holding a little bit of water. As you can see, I thought, so there's this part that necks or narrows down. I guess that makes it easy to bend. I thought I had hit it and just bent it, because I only saw it from one side, but I guess not. It's supposed to be like that. So now we got to get that exhaust hanger off, and I've heard those can be kind of annoying. Okay, so I just noticed. Let's see if I can get my light over here. So this is the muffler here. This is going towards the back axle. There's a hanger right here as well. So that's going to be kind of tricky. And then we got to get the one back there. Alright, so I just slid back here. And again, I noticed there's another exhaust hanger. So there's three of them. One on this side, one on this side, and one back there. Thought it was going to be a little easier than this today, but I guess not. I am able to sort of slide these around a little bit. Alright, so I looked up a quick video, and what you're going to want to do is get some lubricant. I'll link that video in the description. It's like a minute long, but all you're going to want to do, spray some of whatever lubricant on there. Make sure you get it all the way around this knob, most importantly. And grab some channel locks. Get it to a bigger size. Let's see here. So you want to get it. So I haven't been filming right. Like that, and just press. And nope, that did not work. Might have to try it on this one here. It's actually really close to popping off just by itself. Alright, so I got my brother here to help a little bit. What's up? Take off those exhaust hangers, and we got it out. So once you get these off, I don't know why I couldn't do it with the camera running, but got it off. And it comes right out. So right underneath here, it's actually kind of under the door a little bit, but it ends right there. That's awesome. It is a lot. That's sweet. It's so much deeper. I'm gonna go for a drive. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. I kind of forgot to record an outro, so I'm just doing a voiceover here. Enjoy this picture of my truck. And hopefully this was somewhat informative and gave me something to do over this quarantine. So thanks for watching, hit the like, subscribe, all the usual YouTuber stuff. And yeah, see you guys later.